You're going to love the 2013 Toyota Sienna. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.